Many enterprises have been forced to work remotely due to the global COVID-19 pandemic as governments all over the world try to curb the spread of the virus. This has obviously caused huge disruption as many businesses attempt to navigate their way through the obstacles of transitioning from their traditional work environment to a virtual modern workplace. CPI Media Group has been exploring ways to maintain business continuity during this crisis and have deployed the new Avaya Spaces platform to keep their team connected. We received an in-depth tutorial from Avaya experts who showed us how to effectively utilize the platform whilst working remotely. As a company, we forecast that it was likely we would have to work remotely due to COVID-19. But thankfully, the Avaya Spaces platform has minimized any disruption to our day-to-day operations. Avaya Spaces is a cloud-based team collaboration and meeting app. It seamlessly integrates voice, video, and much more onto one app that you can access from anywhere. You can use Avaya Spaces on your laptop or your tablet from home or your smartphone on the go. For more information, please contact Avaya today.